Hey there! Do you feel like you could do more in your work by using Python? Maybe you've dabbled in it, but haven't quite cracked the code yet. Well, I've got just the thing for you. Our Python trainings are specifically designed for professionals just like you, people who want to get hands-on, practical skills that they can use immediately. This is not a generic Python course. It has been designed by our training team with valuable input and help from our consultants. These are the people who use these tools every day in real projects, which means that your learning what actually works in the field and not just the theory. With our full-time trainers, the material is designed for real learning, not just a rehash of pre-existing slides. We use the 20-80 rule, 20% theory and 80% hands-on exercises to really learn by doing. So what's in the course? Well, let's break it down. Day one is all about the Python fundamentals, data types, conditionals, loops, functions, the core building blocks of Python, so you can write clean and efficient code. And I've never seen anyone do day one without really wanting to do day two. And that's where we dive deep into Pandas, the powerhouse for data analysis. You're going to learn how to explore, manipulate, and transform your data, getting insights quickly and efficiently. Our motto, learn today, apply tomorrow. By the end of this training, you'll be ready to use Python in your daily work, whether it's automating tasks, analyzing data sets, or just making your workflow faster and smarter. So if you want to boost your data skills and make Python work for you, sign up now. We can't wait to see you in the training.